all about action from the Premier League in this case. It's Brighton and Hove Albion taking on Chelsea.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always.
Real chance. Oh, and a penalty has been awarded. Big moment here. Can they get themselves ahead? Well, no card handed out, but quite a few upset players out there, Stuart.
Well, he's made a genuine attempt to play the ball, so penalty, yes, yellow card, no.
This to make it 1-0. Oh, no! It's all gone horribly wrong.
Well, he's just got to forget that. That's a shocking penalty.
What do you expect to see this time, Stuart?
Well, their 2-0 win was an excellent all-round display, particularly the way they won the ball back. And when you...
Now, was that the denial of a clear goal-scoring opportunity? And in the refereeing trade, they call it dogzo, denial of a goal-scoring opportunity.
Well, the referee's got that right. He saved a possible goal there, but at a cost.
Sterling. Well, it could be on for him here. And a goal! They've taken the lead! Well, playing a man short, but that doesn't seem to bother them. We shouldn't be surprised.
Well, let's take another look now, and it's a superb cross by Sterling. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
Well, he's been the standout for his side so far, don't you think, Stuart?
Oh, they're in here, Derek.
And Chelsea have done it! It's going to be so difficult to stop them now.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he?
And the shot, closing down well, covering up defensively. In it goes to rubber stamp it once and for all.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, and then he almost mishits this, to be honest. You just wonder if that deceived the keeper and caught him off guard.